Okay, let's take a look at this one. So this is converting time from days all the way down to seconds. And so this is another form of dimensional analysis. So let's start with what we know. We know 13 days. Now, what I want to do is multiply that by something so that I can make the days sort of cancel out. So one day is equal to what other value? Well, we know there are 24 hours in a day, so I'm going to put 24 hours. All right, now I can cancel out the days. So I'm working my way down to seconds. Well, now I want to cancel out hours. 1 hour is equal to what other value? 1 hour is 60 minutes. We know that. Now I can cancel out the hours. Well, 60 minutes. Okay. 1 minute is what? Well, there are 60 seconds in 1 minute, right? And so that way I can cancel out the minutes. And that gets me to what I have to actually solve here. So the nice thing about this is that I'm just multiplying across 13 times 24 times 60 times 60. So that number is going to actually just tell me exactly what I'm looking for here. So I was doing some sequences earlier. That's what that was on there. So 13 times 24 times 60 times 60. Going to be a big number, right? That's going to be a really big number. So 200, 123, 1,123,200 seconds in 13 days. All right. That is dimensional analysis. I hope that's helpful. See you next time.